Yeah, you know it. Expansion of AI tools is everywhere. AI is taking over the world. Some of these fellas think that they're going to take away our jobs. But that's not going to happen. It's not going to happen never, because they still need humans in order to give them tasks, in order to give them prompts. They're just here to help us and to give us a bit of speed. One such tool is Copy.ai, and it's similar to ChatGPT, but you know what copywriting is. It's particularly catered to that. So, as you know, copywriting, art of selling with words, there's a lot of people out there, including myself, maybe including yourself, who want to become a copywriters, and that's a good thing for our today's topic. Think about it. There's a lot of aspiring copywriters. A lot of people want to make money with it, and they can make money with it because it's just really profitable. There's a lot of companies out there, they just want to sell their products, and they're ready to pay big money to whoever is going to sell those products with the help of words. Now, we've got all those bunch of people out there, and they need help, right? Especially the beginners. So Copy.ai can help a lot of people. So if they know that Copy.ai can help them, and if they know if they invest a little bit of money into Copy.ai, they can potentially get huge deals of money when they just start using it professionally. They will actually see that they've got like plenty of these programs, the cheapest one coming at $36 per month. So now they know that they have a tool out there which can help them, but they have to pay for it. So they can just head over to Copy.ai and they can just start using it, or they can click on your affiliate link and you can get a commission, which is 45%. I mean, this is just crazy. You can easily do the math. If, for example, $36 per month, you multiply that by 0.45, well, that's $16. $16 for each one of these. So how to find this affiliate program and how to get the traffic for those links? Well, that's what this video is all about. First of all, go over to Google and type this in, affiliates copy.ai. Click on the first link here. You will land in here and you can see this is where you apply. You can just apply to be a partner right away, or on this link, apply now, and you can see that you will get your link right away, and you can share that link, you know that, and the commission is coming to you via PayPal on the 1st and 15th of each month, and it's 45%. That's a good commission as far as I'm concerned, because it's a recurring commission. If you get 10 people, well, that's like $160 for the least expensive subscription that they have. Do have in mind that some of these people are going to buy this. Some of those will even get this. You never know. But what I do know is that some of these people are just getting huge deals of money. Have a look at this first person, let's say. This guy is charging $215 for 150 words. Now, to put that into perspective, 150 words is like YouTube short video. So that's less than a minute. All right, 150 words, and he gets $200 for it. If these copywriters get like this kind of money, investment in Copy.ai, which can help them, is nothing for them. This is our customer. In fact, all of these people are. All you gotta do is to get the traffic. Okay, but how to get the traffic? Which forms of media to use? Well, first of all, you can make yourself a blog. Because here's what happens. People will just, if they just want to be like a copywriters, especially the beginners, they will just type them in the Google search bar. So how to start copywriting or something similar. You know how it goes. For example, if I want to go in Barcelona, I just type in what to visit in Barcelona, what are the cheapest tickets, you know. So they will start looking at these blogs, firstly, and then they will just click on something. They will land on a certain blog, which, of course, has affiliate links in there. Or they just sell something through affiliate marketing, for example, to some digital service. Blogs are a great way to start because there is a lot of traffic on Google. There's a lot of content out there, and you will get that audience that you're looking for. And a lot of people are doing it. So you basically explain how to become a copywriter. If you don't know anything about it, just use Copy.ai, and you can combine that with ChatGPT, because all of this information is basic information that ChatGPT can give you. All right? It's just a thing of keeping people, just getting their attention to your products and just staying more on your blogs. Then you can use that blog to go over to Digistore 24 and get something like this. So get paid to do simple writing jobs online, and for each one of these sales, you get $7. I'm just telling you this because that's like multiple sources of income for you. Because if they are into copywriting, well, they like to write. And if they're just beginners, they're most probably looking for a way to get some money online while they're just practicing their copywriting skills. And each one of them want to get paid to do some simple writing jobs online. So if they click on it and they sign up to this program, you will get a commission, right? $7 on top of Copy.ai's, which most probably they will buy. The next option is copywriting on YouTube. Have a look at what happens. If I just type in copywriting, first of all, you will get these search results, so you can just make your videos titles like that, and you don't have to get a lot of views. For example, this person has a lot of views, but this person has only 16K views. All right, now just think about it. If you made a video, you don't have to show your face. You can just show the Copy.ai's website, record your screen. But if you get 16,000 views, and if only 1% of those people decide to actually purchase a subscription on Copy.ai, that's huge deals of money. Only 1%. We're talking only about 1% of those people. There's surely going to be more, but if you get 1%, look what happens. So 16,000 people times 0.01, that's going to be 160 people times $16. $2,500. Recurring commission, all right? That's a recurring commission each month from one YouTube video. Now, you can see the power of it. Well, we all know that YouTube has a lot of views, has a lot of traffic, so it's perfect for this kind of work. And you don't even have to be monetized on YouTube. You don't care because you get the money from Copy.ai. The next option is copywriting on Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of traffic. And what's cool about Pinterest is that people go over to Pinterest in order to buy something. They're not there to just like shop with their eyes, you know? It's just people with some decision, hot leads, we call them, and they're there to purchase something. They just need a nudge. They just want to see the options. So if you make a certain post like these people are doing, so for example, how do I build a copywriting portfolio, or how to build a copywriting portfolio exercise for beginners, as you can see, they are redirecting the traffic somewhere else. You can redirect the traffic to your affiliate link, or a bridge page, or I don't know, Linktree, or your YouTube channel, or social media profiles, you know? You see the opportunities. There's a lot of opportunities, but you got to work hard for it. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it will never be. If anyone tells you, oh, you will get that overnight, and you will get like thousands of dollars without doing anything, they lie, all right? You got to work hard, you got to take the action, you got to be dedicated, and you got to create the content, all right? Because let's face it, it's all about the content nowadays. Who creates the most content gets the most eyes. Who has the most eyes, the most attention? Well, they just have little real estate on the online world, which they can monetize. And that is essentially it, yeah? For example, I like Pinterest because it has a lot of views, and you can easily create these pins using canva.com. You just search for Pinterest pins, you take this, you go over to create a blank Pinterest pin, and then you search for these templates, which are free to use. You can just type in writing, if that's your niche, and then you just choose one of these, you know, how to write your first blog post, whatever. You can change the text, and then you can easily apply that to Pinterest profile. Now, one of the most important things that you got to do is to just do not try to reinvent the wheel. It's already done. People are doing it. It already works. You can see that from these Pinterest pins. All you got to do now is to copy what other people are doing and just making it a bit better. You know, just model the success that is already there. You know, it's already working. So just use your eyes. Go and consume the content in a conscious way, because when you are a consumer, you don't get nothing. You know, you just waste your time. But if you're a conscious consumer, you can learn something. You know, you can learn, how do all these people get that traffic? what they use, what kind of fonts they use, what kind of colors they use in their posts, what kind of pictures, where is the text. You can learn all of that by just looking at all of these posts, all right? And for example, if you like certain thing, I don't know, maybe you like this one, or I don't know, you like this one, you go to their profiles and you see what they're doing. Have a look at this. 5 million monthly views this person has. And they are into all sorts of things. You can see like the pattern that they use. They saw that it works, and then they just double down on this pattern, and people are clicking on these links. They're going to their website, One Fine Wallet, whatever it is, and then they just sell a lot of things on their blogs, full of affiliate links. You can do the exact same thing with Copy.ai. In fact, anyone can. You just have to do the research, see what other people are doing, and then just be dedicated, work hard, and trust me, with consistency, success will come. So, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you.